What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today's a little bit of a different video. We are going out to Dirt Expo. My truck is going to be at the soft topper booth, and not gonna lie, doing videos on these expos and everything, I just get a little nervous. So we're gonna see how I can create this video to make it enjoyable for you guys. But right now, I got to go to the event, get my truck all set up, and clean her up. She's pretty much cleaned up, but wipe her down, you know, do all that. So stick with me while I make this awkward video about going to Dirt Expo, because I don't know, I just feel weird doing these videos out in the expos and filming people, filming things out in the open. But tag along for the ride and laugh at me if you can. All right, everybody, I think I'm at the staging area over here, and just waiting for the soft topper team to pull up. They flew in from Colorado today, so I'm not really sure what to do. This is in Scottsdale, and you boys from the country, you don't know nothing about out here, so we're gonna wait around and kind of wait until they pull up and see what I gotta do. But I gotta go potty real bad right now, so that thing there looks pretty sick. Nice Chevy pre-runner type of guy. But I'm excited to see some rigs around here. I'm excited. We'll see how it goes. All right, everybody, I'm trying my best here. I get all weird and scared about doing these expos, but I'll give you guys a little rundown tomorrow when everything's all set up and whatnot. But we got my truck in the booth, barely fit, and yeah, it looks good. So we're just walking around. No one's here, checking out. No one's here right now. We're just everybody setting up. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. But I'll definitely give you guys a little rundown tomorrow when everybody's here, or Sunday when less people are here. But I got some cool shit, so trying my best, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, we're out here, Dirt Expo. I'm a little nervous to film stuff, but we're gonna try to do it right now. Okay? All right. All right, so we got a bunch of side-by-siders out here. We got a dead body in the corner right there. I just learned how to do a tourniquet today, so I don't know. Can-Am booth? Should I get a Can-Am? Not really sure, but I'm not a side-by-sider guy, so fuck that. Never mind. I guess we'll show you guys where my truck is. I don't know where it's at, but we're gonna find it.
I didn't know they came out with a new 501.
And like the new two-stroke.
Next bike right there.
Next bike? Next bike? Very nice, very nice.
700's great, but it's a little big sometimes.
It's a little big. I want something like that.
That's more your speed.
Yeah.
I saw him. He looked like it was like bare.
The Viper cut? Yeah,
so,
I mean, it's probably around the same weight.
Is it?
But like, honestly, I'm gonna take the winch out soon because we live in Arizona. I don't ever need a winch.
Yeah.
You know, like.
Yeah. Does it ever? So, have you seen the design for the tube bumper yet?
Not yet, but the tube style.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah,
So,
it'll look good, especially if they do it flush with the front of the bumper. Like,
yeah. Yeah.
I did it here, but on the Raptors.
All right, everybody, check out this sweet Ranger fucking side-by-side. It's got the whole Roam kit, the Roam shower awning with the 270 with the shower thing. Do you know I have the shower tank up top on my truck? Yeah, right there, right there. I have one, but I ripped it off on the trails because I didn't mount it correctly. And that's why I have that big scratch on the roof. Did you see it? All right, guys, we're out here in the soft topper booth. Hope you guys check me out over here. I talked to a couple of you guys, and I love talking to you all. So, yeah, we got the truck all set up. It's not leaking coolant on the showroom floor, which is probably a good thing. Stuffed a little rag underneath there because, you know, we have the coolant T issue. But so far, we've been pretty good. We're having good ass deals out here on the soft topper this weekend, and come check out my scratched up brand new truck. All right, guys, we're gonna go check out the Rigid booth, kind of see what's up over there. Right now, we're kind of like right in front of the Nacho booth, which is kind of funny. But we're gonna go check out the rigid booth. Let's go check it out.
All right, third beer in.
Hold on, let me turn the mic on. All right, well, I'm gonna go pee. Yeah, so we're gonna go pee and then we're gonna check out the other side of the booth, or other side of the event. It's been pretty cool out here. Fucking music. Oh shit!
We saw your trucks.
Yeah, appreciate it. What's your guys' name?
Michael.
Michael and Blake.
Yeah,
I appreciate it. Stopping by. Yeah. You guys enjoying it?
Oh yeah. No, I thought I saw your truck over there. I was like, I can't tell if it is.
There
You got
she
the
is.
soft top on the back.
Yeah. We agreed to that one before I got the new setup, so I did
That's
them
what
a
I kind of
favor.
thought you were doing.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a cool question. Do you have
It's a
spacers on?
video.
Yeah, I got 1.5 inch wheel spacers.
Okay.
I don't really like it, but it makes it look.
good.
It looks
Oh,
good.
it looks good.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Scratches the paint. A lot of the rocks come up. So,
Yeah. What are you
but
gonna do?
we have the fenders coming. One of these. You can.
Cut,
No.
I thought that was the funniest shit ever. I was gonna buy one of these. So.
Like, I was gonna buy one of these, but I didn't want to spend the $6,000. But dude,
Is this the Go Fast?
these guys right here. Yeah. But yeah, it's got the pass through, dude. Like it's got the mollies and shit, dude. I like these ones. This is something my dad should do because he has a Ram 3500, but it's a dually. But I've been just yeah, we're good. Cool, sounds good.
So you guys make these?
Yeah, so we're dealers with these guys, and they're based out of Salt Lake City, so they're just really elevated. We're Illinois horses, so we're coming out of their booth. But yeah, it's an awesome product. It's ultralight camper system, so depending on which truck platform, what's going on, it's all aluminum. It's typically 350 to a little over 400 pounds.
Oh,
truck it is.
I thought it would be heavier.
The bed platform pulls out over the system right here, so you pull sleeping platform in it, and you can push that all back up to the nose. So that puts in it, whatever you want to do.
I like how you integrate.
Part of what we do as a company is we have a rental fleet, so we've got about 10 different vehicles that we rent out and go do their thing. And we've got Alicab and a few other brands, and they're all key.
Yeah.
We spend a tremendous amount of time servicing key features. So we can say we can keep stuff we like it, or we like it. So, it's a cool system. Most everything that you see here is
Right above it. Yeah, that one. You pull it towards you until it drops. A little more, and then push it forward a little bit. Just push it forward a little bit. Right there. That's your bed, basically.
What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah, you like it?
I like the sound.
Yeah.
The way you just push it forward.
I got a 5-foot bed, so it's a little bit differently. You know, the 6.5 foot bed or 8 foot bed definitely changes things. You know?
But look how easy that is to store back.
Yes.
I know. Now you're making.
Well, looks like it's time.
You like it? Very nice. That thing's pretty sweet. I could tow it.
Oh, you can paint.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You go check it out. Kitchen, bathroom. What do you think? Anyone taking a shit? Oh, I need a pee.
Big.
I need a pee.
Look at that dumper!
I need a pee.
This is pretty spacious.
Yeah?
Look at all those towels you can put over there.
How much does it weigh? Let's see. Overall,
You could tow, pal.
GVR 82,000 or 8,200 pounds. Dry weight 5,100. I could. My truck can tow 7,500 pounds, so we could. Yeah, we could tow this thing.
Well, come outside.
That
It comes down like
pins over there and it slides
a
down.
little bunk bed. Yeah. I slept up on those a couple times at the dunes before with my family. Yeah.
Share though.
Is it nice? Oh.
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 Big load.
Yeah.
right, guys. Well, I gotta go pee again. But we've been checking out some stuff, some cool campers and everything. Maybe in the future we'll get one of those, but you know, we just spent the whole setup on the RSI and the FSR setup. So I don't know. We've been looking at some cool campers, and just a lot of cool things right here. A lot of old school trucks, some Broncos, some Samurais, and everything. But it's been pretty cool. Beers are $14, but beers are $14, but it is what it is when you're trying to come to these expos and have fun.
Yeah.
But we've been kind of just rolling around, checking things out and whatnot, but it's been pretty cool. But I gotta go pee again. And we'll probably see you guys tomorrow again for day 2 on Sunday, when not many people are out here kind of rolling around because it's Sunday. You got to work the next day. But yeah, that's about it, guys. All right, everybody, that was the expo. I'm sorry I tried filming some things. It's just weird for me to be that filming guy at an expo. It just, I don't know, maybe one of these days I'll get better at it, but I tried my best to get some cool shots of you guys. Caitlin tried, Devontae tried, but now I'm on the way home from the expo, and I think it was pretty good. I really do appreciate you guys stopping by the booth and saying what's up. Some of you guys I missed, and just, you know, it's hectic running around looking at things, checking things out, but I appreciate all you guys that came and said hi at the Soft Topper booth. I want to take a special shout out to Soft Topper too for letting me have this opportunity to put my vehicle in a booth, because I personally never thought I would be able to do that, and I thought that was a lot of fun. So if any other companies want to send me out to some expos, I'm always down for it, because those things are fun for me. I like talking to the people. I love everything about the expo stuff. So I appreciate you guys watching. I'm headed home right now, and we got some really fun videos coming up in the future. Make sure to stay tuned. I have a ZR2 fender flare install for the truck too. I need to lift the truck up a little bit more, but we have a lot of things coming. I'm doing a lot of stuff for my rigid light bar also. I'll be filming and taking videos of how that worked out and how I made that happen too. So I appreciate you guys watching. You guys are awesome, and I love every single one of you guys. So take it easy. Bye.